Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. Hi, I just want to give you a hug. Hello. Today I'm going to be showing you this light summer makeup look. This is the makeup that I have been doing recently. It is summer. I don't want to put a bunch of stuff on my face, and I sweat a lot, so my skin gets very oily in the summer too. So this is just really like makeup, and yeah, let's get started. Okay, so at the very last minute I switched to wanting to do a voiceover, so here we are. And this is just a clip of me looking at my acne, because I want to tell you guys that acne is okay and it's natural. Anyways, we're gonna start with a very light base, which is this milky what is it called? Milk tinted moisturizer. Ooh. Honestly, let me start off the video by saying that all the products will be listed in the description below. So if I say something wrong, I'm sorry, I'm just an idiot. So I'm blending it all out and all over my beautiful face. Trying to get all the crevices of my face, like the top of my forehead, on my nose especially, and around my chin area. Also, do not forget to blend it down your neck, or anything that you use on your face down your neck. That is like the #1 rule, I guess. I'm such a beauty guru, but yeah. I honestly don't know what I was doing in this clip, but I was thinking really hard. But anyways, I'm gonna take my Better Skin Concealer by Maybelline and try to conceal all the dark spots and the acne that I have on my chin. And then I'm gonna get the Instant Age Rewind Concealer, of course by Maybelline again. And it's in a lighter color, but that's because I have eye bags that I do not want to show. And I have discoloration around my eyes, so it really helps. I look kind of silly, but I'm gonna put it on my eyelids too.
Oh, no.
That really made me laugh. I had to put that in the video, okay? So now I'm going to blend it all out, and I'm gonna take my Coty Airspun powder, and I absolutely look disgusted because I hate when powder gets everywhere and it's really messy. Honestly, this is going to ruin any chances that I have with getting sponsored by this brand, which probably won't ever happen, but please, Coty Airspun, if you're watching this, which I doubt you are, just repackage your packaging, if that's the word. It's like so messy and I can't deal with it anymore. Anyways, let me stop ranting. We're gonna move on to bronzer, and this bronzer smells so good. Oh my god, I forgot the name. Oh, the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula smells like coconuts, and you're in Hawaii. Oof. I made a weird face there, so of course I had to edit it out because of course you guys don't want to see that. Anyways, all I did was bronze the sides of my cheeks and my forehead and my nose, and my cat decided to join me, which was really nice. But anyways, now we're going to move on to blush, and I'm using this Monochromatic stick by e.l.f. It's super cheap and I like it. It's easy to put on, so it's perfect for the summer and I love it. I'm just going to blend it out, and yeah. I, of course, the forgetful person I am, had to go up and go to my desk to get this highlighter. It is the e.l.f. liquid highlighter, and it is so blinding, as you can see. It was like $5. Y'all should go get it. Someone support my Musical.ly and TikTok career because I'm killing the game, just like I'm killing the game with these eyebrows, am I right? Yeah. Yeah, I'm just gonna move on to doing my eyebrows. It's plain and simple, but I'm not doing them as structured as I do usually because it's summer. I'm trying to look natural, trying to keep it light. So yeah. I swear someone is messing with me because I literally just spent the last 10 minutes trying to look for my eyelash glue. It's right in front of me where I'm filming. I'm on to you. To whoever has my voodoo doll, I'm on to you. Or maybe I'm just stupid. I don't know.
Anyways, we're going to move on to eyelashes. I already have mascara on, and this is optional. You do not have to put falsies on in the summer, but these are the, I think, Ardell Demi Wispies. They're super cheap and they're so lightweight. I barely feel them on my eyes. So when I want that extra oomph, I like to put them on and just go on about my day while looking like I'm a bad bleep. I'm not trying to curse. PG, trying to be PG. I'm warning you, in the next few clips, you're gonna see me feeling myself because I look so good. Self-confidence, am I right? Look at her, she's thriving. And then I'm going to put on lower mascara because it completes the look, and yeah. So lately I've been really into fake freckles, and for people with real freckles, I'm so jealous of you and I appreciate them. This is not me appropriating freckle culture. I just really like them and I think they're so beautiful. I honestly wish I was born with some. So I'm using this little sponge that they use in movies. They actually use these type of sponges to put on gory makeup like blood or wounds so it can create texture. But since there are little holes in the sponge, it actually can create cute freckles. Honestly, someone took a shot every time I lip sync in this video because oh my god, what am I doing? Anyways, I'm just going to put more freckles just on my nose and my cheek area, and then I'm going to take this foundation brush and kind of tone it down a bit, and also to make it more natural. And these are the freckles. I think they're really cute. And yeah, that was it. So that was it for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. I hope you found something useful, or I hope this helped you in any way. Don't forget to follow me on my other social medias, and also don't forget, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, or comment. And I'm gonna go now. Bye, guys.